Hi everyone. In this video we can understand about angle of friction. For this we have to consider one block resting on a floor. Its weight is mg and the mg will be balanced by the normal reaction. Suppose if we apply a force to pull it, there will be a frictional force formed which is called limiting friction. When we apply a force to to move it, there will be a frictional force. So if the body moves, we can say that it overcame the limiting friction. So that maximum friction is limiting friction. That's why we are just calling this frictional force is limiting friction. And now we give some names to this point. This point we can say O, this point we can say A, at this point we can say B. Suppose if we extend this like this, we get a figure like this. Now we connect this point C. We can call this point is C, and the point C and point O are connected now. Now this OC is nothing but it is the resultant of OC is the resultant of limiting friction and normal reaction. OC is the resultant of limiting friction and normal reaction. That resultant OC makes an angle with the normal reaction. That angle is called phi. So phi is the angle which this resultant makes with a normal reaction. That angle is called angle of friction. This phi is called angle of friction. So if you want a definition for that, we can say that the angle which a resultant of a normal reaction and limiting friction makes with normal reaction, that is called angle of friction. And also we have a relationship between this angle of friction and coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction is mu, static means mu s, and angle of friction is phi. For that we have to consider this triangle, AOC is triangle AOC. In triangle AOC we can say tan phi is equal to opposite side and adjacent side, that is AC divided by OA. So in this we can say tan phi is equal to AC divided by OA. AC is nothing like this side. So if this side is equal to this side is equal to this side, so AC is equal to OB. That's why we can write OB divided by OA. OB is nothing but it is the limiting friction divided by OA is normal reaction. So we can write OB by OA, which is tan phi, which is equal to limiting friction divided by normal reaction. So we have this friction is equal to mu into n. From this we can write this is equal to mu s. Okay, so that's why tan phi can be written as mu s. So this is the relationship between coefficient of friction and angle of friction. Tan phi equal to mu s. I hope you all understood this topic. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel for new videos, and also you can comment the videos which you want.